Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Tone Setter. Thanks for tapping in. When a client's losing confidence, your clippers can do more than just cut hair. They can restore pride. Today we're tackling a light fade on a thinning top, using enhancements and fibers to bring that bold energy back. I'm showing every step, every lever movement, and how to turn a good cut into a great experience. All right, so let's take a look at where we're starting. My client's thinning right through the crown and top area, but he still has solid density around the sides. He requested to keep it light, natural, and low maintenance. Not every client wants a super dark enhancement, so the goal here is balance, make it clean, and make it believable. We're creating that light fade base. Notice how I keep my wrist loose. Control comes from the rhythm, not the rush. With your half guard closed, go up an ½ inch and taper the beard with the same guard to save time. Efficiency comes from sequence. Next, using the number 1 guard closed, fade up another ½ inch. Pop on the 1½ guard, lever open, and go up 1 inch. Then fade down, gradually closing the lever. Now with the same guard, lever closed, go with the grain, making the top length to a 1½. Then continue fading around back and opposite side, lever open to closed. Make sure to do a few passes for a consistent look, going with and against the grain. Now with the number 2 guard, lever open, fade up into the 1½, and just repeat same steps with the lever open to closed. Always blend in the direction of the natural wave pattern, even when going against the grain. It'll keep your fade smooth and protect density on thinning areas. Pop the 1½ back on and fade down, just overlapping with our guards to remove any uneven hair. Drop down to your number 1 guard, lever open, and go with and against the grain. This keeps everything clean and neat. Time for the lineup. This is where the cut gets attitude. We're starting in the center, then working out to the vertical bar. Little details separate good barbers from great ones. Keep in mind to add value with every service. This here is your opportunity to over-deliver without it costing you. This shows care and creates emotional connection. Using the razor, always stretch the skin for a crisp razor line. Now this is where a transformation happens. Spray your holding mist, then layer the fibers. Spray, apply, repeat. Take your time. Enhancements should enhance, not overpower. Use the trimmers to lay fibers down naturally. Freehand detailing keeps the finish soft and realistic. That's the power of the craft. Now we finish with the half guard, open to close, cleaning that first guideline. Overlap with no guard for any shadows. Symmetry matters. Turn your client, check both sides, and make sure the fade reads smooth from every angle. If this video gave you value, drop a comment, share it with another barber. Confidence starts in the chair, but it carries into life.